My mouth is on fire, but I'm good. Like, what's up?
Ice cream.
Don't swallow it.
Does this thing have dust on it? Ayo, what's up?
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Ayo, welcome to another episode of COS TA HOT.
Aquí lang ko host, the baddest bitch, melatonin Gabe. Oh, I'm not gay though. That's making that clear. I'm Shark right now. Please don't clip this fucking part.
Noche bom venir para COS TA HOT, el show más hot de Caribe. I'm sorry. Es un más hot.
Okay.
You
can have it.
You can have it.
You can have it.
We'll give you that.
You can have it.
Um dia você sabe como.
You can have it.
Dengue intro boso ako nossa tuma inspiração de Hot Ones para esse show aqui. Desconta em cada outra, me explica boso. É host e gastam também come 10 chicken strips de KFC. Nossa dá hap, depois me dá se você pergunta, boso dar responder. É bedoeling tá com ninguém tá tap out, é o que ninguém para COS TA HOT tap out. Para explicar boso tiki de sauce, me seguro Samil se acaba. Nós quer por basil tiki local, so nós vai Cmart tanto compra ture sauce com nosso wak. Pica de papai não tem awe, pero nós tem Love Aruba Heat, Tabasco, Cholula, tiki de turgos. E outro mitad é uma tapa preto. Nossa chef na enco pasta Aruba di é show miss, original box set. Das tudo que pode wak para Hot Ones miss. Putting the bomb, the last dab, etc. Você clave?
Sa.
Você para mim é super fácil, é burger.
And it's pineapple. Oh, it's burger. Oh, okay.
Okay, wait, we gotta just take a bite?
Bite.
Okay.
Like, it's novo? About this,
Yeah, this one over.
Can we give like a review about this?
Bobor.
I don't know about all of that.
First thing is just chicken and bread, no sauce, nothing. Like, looks a little dry.
Okay, so we just bite or not?
Sí, take a bite.
Okay.
No estás pregunta.
Okay.
No?
Put it tomatoes and
Yeah,
salad.
your bread is
Hella dry. It's hella dry.
Oh shit, you ain't got nada wrong.
Look, it's still got good flavor though.
Hey, can we
But-
curse? No, stop up.
Sí, busca agua para aí, busca bateria on the side.
I guess that though.
Passinho sauce, sem nada de seco assim, não?
Wag, me suggest boso, ore sauce ang bira mas pica, agua de silipio, pero voorlopig, while not burning, gewoon wash everything down with water. That way.
Why don't you keep saying yes to this type of shit, man? Then
Low key.
damn.
Dale, wash it down, so we have question 1. Samil y Shark, bosa graba season san, no filter na Aruba, Bonaire recently, Corso, Holanda. Qua din antura challenge boso mas mani creators.
I don't know. Yo siento que tú te casas minhas coisas, pero como para challenge, I think it's more logistics. That's the real challenge. Para mim, então.
I would say the Holland.
Yeah. Paso hopi gente bem de hopi leva de Aruba, Aruba é coisa chiquito. So pa tu gente like GSP need like yeah. Pero Holanda,
And vamos a plan adelantado ahora.
Hopi
Holland
tá.
was a lot more planning. Putting us on a different reach down bit, man.
Pero mane, ora você viaja, por exemplo, mais cerca. Corso, Bonaire, é mais fácil para você ir sponsors com a Holanda, você há sponsors em também.
Não, para Corso com Bonaire é mais fácil. Plus você quer para vir com nos kind of thing, circle cava na isla aqui que tá sendo fácil. Na Holanda, that look by like, yo, just buy aqui como tá passa. Like that's the
best place.
100%. The hope the gas down. No stop selling this skin until that's before they're coming on the show. So see, that was the most challenging one.
Holanda. I would say Holanda for sure.
Ando qua você enjoy mais.
I mean,
That's fucked up.
Sa-
That's really fucked up.
No,
Pero
but they-
Corso,
no, they-
I would say Pami.
Season dos,
Sí,
though.
Pami
Ah.
Corso.
Você vai cortar dos via, no?
Sa, assim, 2 seasons de Corso Traga, ó.
Que gosta ele que você gosta mais? Ou você special?
E é diferente ainda.
The experience in general.
Ninguém, para mim, viajar sa bayan, basta, like, Kiko, de 4 dias, nós grava, I was like, quando, like, just 2 episodes in 4 dias, is insane. Like,
Me darei leite.
nós lahat grava 3 episodes per dia, nibiya 4. Anto, ibiya áreas vai mais planear. Nós vai, a intenção de gravar 2 e nós explorar só pouco. So,
Nice. Me vou estar gravando 8 dias de um dia, pero me estou matando a work.
mas eu vou quando vou gravar per dia, like, it makes sense.
dia.
Oh, that's crazy.
Dia.
Se você mais que 2, it's insane, to be honest.
Shark, último ko mapapi ko bora, gusto to ng Holanda ainda gravando season. Me toca agora babisami ko enang vibe to full outro ko Aruba ko Corso, por exemplo. Babisami nan to bahaya man tiki mas drive, foto wa creator economy to mas grande. Boso dos ta pensa ko si boso meste commit na si no filter of dos ay na Holanda. Boso lo sige grow te hasta mas ko na Aruba of no.
Yes.
It's kind of in us planning.
Substantially.
So,
Like if we sound like if we live there.
Sí. Si
For
bo base mo
sure.
meste no filter lo sige crece.
100%.
By far.
100%.
Hindi ba full ng otro nivel, as a matter of fact.
All right. Let's go chicken number 1.
Oh my god. And like, it's like a pineapple flavor, which is nice.
Just eat it.
O come ka ba?
Come.
Oh, okay, he's so calm about it.
Come.
Fuck
Wag.
it.
So, babusog. Kwa po dia whip pineapple.
The pineapple, it's a good flavor.
He's nice, but he got a kicker. Whew.
I mean, I gusto hot sauces.
Question number 2, boss. So, dosa drin the business e um physical space. House of periódico pa Shark. E antes Studio 6, eu work in new studio on Samil side também. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Kiko tata.
research.
Kiko
I'm like, we didn't even
Okay,
announce
now
anything yet.
business.
You're
Okay.
not even open. Okay. I'm like, what the fuck?
Kiko thought the biggest challenge in a process is renting out a space for doing business e depois fixing it up. Pues nos dos of nos tres, the damn business op tempo kapa di podcasting sponsors.
Yeah, like,
It's a different order hebben een space. En dan moet ik bij fix it up, but paga monthly rent CFC. Dus kwenta tapa boso.
You wanna go first?
Okay, in my caso, I would say the hardest part for Amitan, my biggest challenge, that was asking for help. Minusa, if it's the lead in me, my pride is too big, pero asking people for help, that's one of my biggest challenges. And my biggest downfall tambe, doing what I have to do. Pero ku tiempo, eventually, like, yeah, you learn, figure this shit out. Ask the right people for the right help under this assistance at home flow this. It worked out. Pero if I had a pinpoint about algo specific, I would say that was my biggest, for sure.
Si bola abrir ora por exemplo com team, bola pedir para help, ela todo opi mas manageable.
100%, 100%. You have so much resources, command. If I could not take advantage of all the resources that I have, it was very dumb. Very dumb.
Mas eu fico com similar answer com Shark. O único que I'm other bay, tá com e Shark says over the mensagem da comunidade, echt the voice, your opinion, what BBL. Maybe if we see algo, I'm thinking to just go along, make sure everybody's happy. Like if you're good, you're good. All right, I'm good too. But in beyond the base, like fuck, but I'm get at say the skin A, but it's not kind of community oriented, but it's a community AMC. So I'll just because I take that part for myself, so we go to like everybody else be happy. The same as seeing the proceso A. If I haven't studio tamit ako. When we say is like the red part, like you have to start making a walkie with the mass responsibility. But even when leads the ayon ko, di para two freaking luna. So what was an extra income, but take care of this say on top of everything else kung ko hasi.
Ese como sa tackle boss. So just money basparan to ba yung amount ko ta cover bo X amount of months ando
Mita spar, pa hindi genoeg pa investment. En dan met in 2 luna, 3 luna die gap om commissar com die rent to cover. But honestly, me din stuur met hundo competir com Michael. Dus by having partners as well to alleviate hobby e gasto them. So shout out na dos. Pero sa si we have a studio, obviously I will just spar for as long as you can. As you like calculator risk as in add up to the company compra pa di ideia quando tu gasta, tudo bonito beta to make sure it takes 3 to 4 months. And then 3 to 4 months I will make sure about hustle basanga, pa make sure about order the team will llega, but in those na kaba trend covered. They always try to stay ahead. So that's my take on this.
nice.
100%.
Next bite.
Oh my god. can have the small one.
I definitely fucking will. The fuck?
Put it in a clipboard.
Whew.
Nah, which one is this?
I'm a what?
Leertje, leertje, te ayuda. Sempre
I'm a
leertje.
bitch?
No, I'm gonna say flavor.
Sorry, it's the Lily syrup.
Hold up.
You shut the fuck up. Like, you're not my mouth. Don't tell my mouth what it's feeling.
Shark, me dat suggest ook dat sempre leertje in de meantime te ayuda. Hashtag Frisian Flag.
Let me hurry, mas nipig dali ni garganta. It's not bad though.
I got a bitch jittery. Like, let's go.
Alright, Samil y Shark. Você dosa quit full-time job com steady tips and salary para pursue vossa passion. Descrevi
this.
o momento aí, hora que você toma a decisão e bisa, I'm out, time to bet on myself.
Para, repetir, outra parte que eu hizo?
Dus descrevi o momento, hora que você decidi, de laga stable salary and tips para bisa você me vai pursue my passion. Ando better me mes.
I guess we have to go figure out the competence here. You know, like, para mí, at least like more time freedom. Maybe bijvoorbeeld, like, don't, Sharks applaud, don't get it twisted. Was about the diablo pensa like, me deve miss entrepreneurship. That shit is not easy. Like, mi primeiro ano, mas sim, mas hope fout. Abay de gusto me gana basta bom sen. E people might say whatever they want. Oh, you're making this much. No, I'm not even making what I was making in gusto. Pero quando minuto atinda gusto, it just say freedom. The hassle quando me quer. Income da direita, com sponsor, they want, are you okay?
It's not good.
I see struggling. Sponsorship on direita, gigs de MC da direita que eu pro maninho mis award over the studio ting mas gasto aqui. Para mim, a whole part of just like going on my campus so nice is I want me to sit in full control. If I want to pick up and go to Bonaire for a week, I can do it. If I want to go to Holland for a week and shoot a filler, I can do it. But before I do that, I have to make sure my shits are in order. Basta make sure to me trabaho of me clients and ng stuff to good, and then I go. So not the best answer, but hey.
Aber Shark.
Okay, I think mine was when I had noticed people in the hotel telling me like, hey, you know what? I don't see you doing this for much longer. This was like corporate people saying this. I was like, I think you're supposed to like tell me to quit my job, but okay. And then one of the biggest things was because I've never been broke. So my mom always made sure we were always like, I had whatever I needed. We weren't rich, don't get it twisted. But I've never been broke, so I've never struggled. I don't know what that felt like. So working in these industries, making all this money, you would bad spend it because you know tomorrow I'm gonna make all that money again.
Yeah.
So it was whatever. And I had to get to a point, I remember talking to my friend, I was like, God damn. Oh, he's like creeping up. Yeah, this bitch is creeping up.
Bro, it's only the second one.
I'm sorry, like I'm getting loud. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Anyway, so I told my friend, I was like, yo, you know what? I think I'm gonna quit my job because I've never felt that fire under my ass, and I want to feel what that is like. And I feel like the only way I'll feel that if I understand completely what the struggle is. And I know maybe it might sound crazy to some people, but it was the best thing I could have done, man. I quit that job, like, and I know I can get my job back because I'm a great employee.
Facts.
You know what I mean? So I know they were hiring my ass back like ASAP. But
they recently offered me as well with Gusto, like, hey, you want to come back? I'm
yeah,
like,
for sure.
tips are this much now. I'm like,
I mean, tayo really ba subana si ku for alle parte ko babisa that a walking mess but not making as much que tempo. There's a reason ko ba jump ship no to per se, hey, mi gana mas placa ni ba mi miss.
but do kasi na like, I'm como bartender tama, it's I'm 35. Like for me, I'm like, is this sustainable for me when I'm 40? Hey, you were saving that shit, no? But yung clipping moment, but clipping
Oh
part
my
A.
God, that just jumped out, motherfucker.
No, he didn't. He was waiting.
Yeah, no,
he was.
he had it.
I'm pretty sure at some point in the question he had my age in there. And
He
damn.
couldn't wait.
Okay, don't worry. You want to play that game? All right, let's go. Roast mode on. No, but I want people to also understand. See, I lost my train of thought. Damn it.
Yeah.
Cool. Fuck. I forgot what I was gonna say.
Sorry, worth it.
Oh no. I remember now because I said 35. Damn. Para mí, it's sustainable. I'm part-time for 5 more years. So in my mind, my pensa okay, cool. Like yeah, for the next 3-4 years, maybe I won't make as much. Maybe I could. But at least I'm building something for myself that in 10 years I'm still doing. So, sinanamo ko sa penso, like, yung kumita sila ako, kung ipo kasi ainda kumi,
This is the
45. Yeah, 45. Although, pa ele sempre set up, pa mi 45, mi 55. So, Gusto was fun, made a lot of connections, made good money, tips, ganun sa ako. Like, it doesn't get taxed, so we're working in the service industry.
Not after this.
No, it's true.
Chin.
But it's fucking facts. Everybody knows
The government is watching.
this. Let him watch.
God damn.
Let him go on tax. The next thing you know, everybody goes on strike. No service. Anyways.
You stop encouraging people to do wrong. No, stop. Y'all don't do that.
Anyways.
Hey, Shark, next bite.
Man, fuck you too. Like, oh, you bitch.
No, fuck you. Go ahead.
Timas leche just in case, no worry.
No, fuck the
It
thumbnail.
is good though. It's not really spicy. I mean, pineapple, like, honestly, for me, it's up until now the best one. Flavor-wise.
Basta, pero maybe ako man purbet at dore show aki, na actually gusto dami.
Same. I would actually buy this one.
Hey, this was good.
Really?
He was chill. Come on, bitch.
I'm more concerned on these last three.
Samil, kiko ta COS kubo co-host ta hasi, kuda drive o crazy.
Bakit mo lang
Who asked this? Bitch ass motherfuckers. I want to hear this too, though.
You just did it.
No, I want to hear
This whole thing, what you just did, that drives me crazy.
Mi tasin di po providing ting algo ma.
Yeah, I feel like it too.
Say that don't be safe.
Like,
What's one thing que Shark the House with me loco?
She waiting.
No, mi act no sa.
we are all waiting.
Mi act no sa.
How do you not know? Like,
Because there's nothing really that annoys me about it. Because the thing is, I'm so around you so much. Like, you do some dumb shit, and everybody's like, oh my god. I'm like, I see this fucking thing every fucking day. Like, I'm so immune to
I
it.
don't do dumb shit. Let's start with that.
Okay, wag, vamos na assim, se liberapo na tayo algo ku DJ ku da drive for crazy. Di ora po sa começar podcast juntos 5 anos passate ko. What is the one thing what take both the longest time to get used to the shark?
Oh, that's a good one. That's a better way to frame it. Kung at home, bisa ko hindi mi cara. Like, what the fuck, dude?
Acusamente
Like,
tota hurt mas, no?
Dude, so pavia ko mina conhecer assim na bom com pamit maneira, yo, what a fucking asshole. Like, was this de começa, por isso que eu comecei para like, oh, it's coming from a good place, not from like a bitch. Was that?
Siamo, compartevo.
That thing it started off like I couldn't stand it, and now I'm like, it's part of it as who he is as a character, of a personality. Sorry, my bad. Goddamn,
Okay,
shorty.
because he ain't no fucking character. I'm a real ass bitch.
Abo shark.
Obviously, começa a tour kasi ko di mas ng fucking público. Like
Ba
most
bang
random.
bangin din dos version di pergunta. Kiko atarda mas pa costuma ko
Oh,
di Samil.
shit. This is a long list.
Yeah, like, we just see which one of all I want to pick from. Let me see. What the most?
It's a good question. Because you okay. Take your time.
Yeah, I'm really thinking
Yeah, take
about
your time.
like a one. I can go to one. Like, I think his indecisiveness. Like there's a
Facts.
he don't decide what the fuck you want to do and approach that. Like, just be head on. If that's what the fuck you want to do, own your shit. Say, hey, this is what I want to do. He gonna like want to bitch about it like low key, and then he's gonna want to like throw words about it.
I'll
I'm
back it up. Wait, finish. Go ahead. I'll say why I'm indecisive.
So, you see, like you had your time.
You understand this because it's strategic. Like if I'm gonna make a decision, I'm gonna first think all the angles of what all the outcomes are. Like, okay,
Mi
so
dami ta sino, mi dami ta sino.
Thank you.
That's
Shark is the
pussy.
Shark is
Y'all
type.
are pussies.
No, Shark is the type is like I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna figure it out on the way down. I'm gonna first get all my
No.
tools
Wag,
together.
mi tayo
and then I'm
bumiser
gonna jump.
un decada de un team si.
That's true. That's also why this duo somehow works.
Okay, but like, why the fuck y'all jumping my answer? Like,
We're not jumping. We're just adding to
Pero
it.
ba-
no, that's
Kab-
the shit. Like,
Kab-
mi birth nang papia. Like, the fuck?
Okay, bumakabo ba answer?
Nah, fuck y'all in this answer now. Let's move on to the next piece of chicken.
Happy.
The fuck?
But the comida fully cooked. This PH keto.
Fully hap.
God damn. I'm just eating like half a chicken.
Ito korta chiquito ka, what the fuck?
Oh wait, like the qual? Fat cat.
No sigo kami fully ko?
Ah, ito one bite.
That's 2 bites. What's your big mouth?
Alright guys, mita korte early no filter days. Kung nagubos sa hopi mas unhinged.
Oh god.
Papian di tur sorti taboo topics, ando waki no filter ding fulo otro tono kune. Kiko pone boso kamina.
Maturity.
Stop. Yep.
To me, for me, it was maturity. Like,
Like we went from bringing Shark's dildo to the show Latalog, episode 2.
Yeah, Charlie.
Very.
No, pregunta
Does
pregunta
Charlie
Charlie
still exist?
Hell yes. The fuck?
Probably somewhere on the shelf.
No,
they don't
break
set it
down
there.
on that fucking
No si
shelf.
no si papi Charlie yung gist, tabing no.
No!
Is in here. Pero mi recorda começamento, ora posso dating é muito mais de sexo assim, ora posso bem que stripper de Holanda.
That was a
All
good
that stuff,
episode.
comparar que no filter jogo que tá full outro.
So,
Dus ora aqui um pouco de maturity, dus bosso mesmo interest na cambio, of kiko passa.
they get it on the long run. They get it. Like, it's all fun and when we talk about crazy unhinged shit. But as we got older, we got more mature as well. We can't be talking about dicks and sex and drugs, and we can. We still can, but in a more respectful way. It was a more mature way instead of
But I mean, you
Talking
do
random stuff.
grow up. I mean, you do grow up. So eventually, like certain things change, certain perspective change.
We're still-
You're getting into new spaces, so your mindset changes. Kaya
your crowd also grows with
I
you.
woki também nós ting hope di no filters episodes some more on third person conversation. Kaya it's more of interview conversations. Kaya we don't have a lot of old school no filter. Okay, it was hey, bang, let's choose a topic and then we go buck ham on it. Which is like the
Kiko
oldest-
bosso gusta mais, ora the conversation sa bosso dos of um guest. Pero let's put it this way, na me see elaborate. So is opening guest ng kwe episode ako man holy shit. Ita pasa ko pating guest ng kutong tigi mas underwhelming kasi nang, so it varies. Si ba tu may average guest experience kumpara ko bosso, kwa bos na enjoy mas.
Me quedé, basta, no sé qué había el primer episodio de Bonero, nos doso. Oh my God, you okay?
Ita pica?
Was it kicking?
Afe pergunta.
Just feeling the burn.
Oh my God. We're not even halfway there.
Voy na stream mo? No?
No? You gotta use that card?
I'm good, babies.
Met de eigen joke ons dos als episode. Want dat is nu wanneer we dus dus we zaken permis van augustus. It was act like enjoy just having a conversation with us about much fun experience na wanneer. Maar wanneer we a conversation ko guest loop because you get to know the guest and then kind of also makes it a little bit easier. Was more at the most with 3-week conversation. Then like, but of course I go back and forth. Like we've talked about this as well in my group self making. Like was I going, hey, get a third host because it makes it a lot more easier.
It did, 100%.
But that seems like mas alivio.
Obvio.
So I say like having a guest kind of nice, but and we've talked about this multiple times. Kind of bring back with the Bordeaux filter at pick a topic. At least bang para umbiyago si Ma is un episode Aruba Shark so utobiko u publiko takis and then we just go ham on it. Was that?
Ese magumisa enjoy a walkie ko magumisa ko host ko Julia because ora mi tata mi mes. Sempre tata ami interviewing the guests. Pasando it's mostly them talking. Ami haciendo pregunta. Ando aqui ay aportarme te dono opinião, pero that's about it. Ando pa prome viaje ay aqui. Matas que kita ko podi un co-host ando para just un topic. Ando boso dos research para course. Ando para gewoon argue.
Correct.
That will be fun.
It's
That,
much better.
that's always been my personal favorite. I've always liked more of the two-way conversation and on a topic. And who with me and then sempre também às vezes okay, que dia was me back e say, mani, e say os que mais de boas opinião, even though boas not the professional about whatever the tema might be, but we want more of y'all's opinion. Like we follow you for your opinion specific because we want to hear what you all have to say on certain topics. I personally like that more, pero I love conversations. Come on, pa dig into it in the subida. Like,
So I guess it's you not like at least umbiapa luna like topics. So hopefully. Pika?
Undi. Ay ko kita building out the Mr. Simang. Ako ki un pitapang da pika pa mi. Next bite. Ba digi bite?
Sa, fully ko.
Sharky ba bite is it? Guys, bossa ting episodes ko displays ko bossa graba bossa DCD di no post. So no ku if file corrupt of alga by fault bossa DCD di no post. Did it ever happen?
Yeah, which one?
upstairs when
Quem llora?
Mike was yeah.
Quem Kiko?
No, I can't think we go into it.
Yeah.
It was a very long day. We were all super
We were
drunk.
and
Pero just that one time.
it was
Yeah.
that one time. It was that one time. It was that one time.
Damn,
I feel like I have Tourette's.
Was that if
Like,
they're going to A, I got me today gonna come for and like I peek again like damn, I forgot about the episode.
I didn't.
Isn't it único? So honestly, there was like very emotional attachment to it. Hasta like they're like, hey dude, we can't hear this. And algo pasando Aruba.
Ah, ito, Tempe Elite. Tempe Elite.
Correcto.
Ah, okay.
Ata algo pasa na Aruba também, com tal pessoa que conosco.
See, it was a whole thing. It was a whole thing.
It's bad. So basically, this CD, like, it's not okay to air it. That's the only episode. But everything else, like, fuck it, it's aquele. Like,
Okay,
if we get,
let's
if
put
we
it
get
this way.
canceled, we get canceled. Like, fuck it.
Se tem episode de No Filter in Paradise,
I'm feeling it too, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm not sorry. It's burning, but it's not like.
My mouth is on fire, but I'm good. Like, what's up?
Sharks had games about lita, eh.
What are you saying, Mauro?
bota vai sair depois aqui?
Like, no more.
Ok. Se tem episode de No Filter, que você tem que delete. Qual é o da?
That is messy.
Yeah.
God damn.
Você tem que delete uno.
Ooh.
The one that almost got us canceled?
Which one got us canceled?
The one. Yeah, I can't say that.
Natasha.
Yeah.
Bolo delete?
The Ori.
The Ori Danger. Or the act super
If
unfair.
you have to delete one.
If I could
There is-
delete one,
there-
I would delete the one from we did. This is no Tino Shade,
No, no.
babies. I love y'all.
The two
Pero-
girls?
Yeah.
I know. You don't even have to say the names. I know
What?
what you're talking about.
Yeah.
There's probably already guys and dating and shit like that.
It wasn't it. Like,
Vai,
it wasn't
você
it.
tá cooking
No,
com Tori na
no,
minha?
Yeah, it
No,
wasn't
no,
it.
no,
It
no,
wasn't
no,
it.
no,
I would
no,
delete
Tori.
that.
Cool, americano?
No, Tori,
yeah,
no. Local.
Oh, okay.
Pero we brought the wrong guest on the show.
For that topic, yeah, we did.
It's in the temple, nos act super unhinged también, so they weren't matching the energy as well. So we're like,
It was.
we need a deeper, raw, nastier answer than what you just gave me. Like,
And they were like nervous.
hey, you're like.
Kita. Pasok kami ng binute pa episode. Qual episode ito?
Now you can't see the name.
Alright, no, delete away no, sabay busquele. No está link din yung video.
Não esquece. Ito yung Facebook de
É algo dating, no? Something about dating? Qual llama? É video? Something about dating, Bookman?
Yeah, this was elite.
Okay.
Ito within the first 15 episodes. Sabay busquele.
Alright, next bite.
Which, hey, 200 episodes coming out soon, no?
Almost done.
Almost donkey coin.
How the fuck off, serio? Like.
Sa aquela No, huh? Now doing the red flags.
Yeah.
So the one we just had was
Yeah.
Onima.
Senor Caral.
But también pasando
Caral.
Quick second.
Tanya, I don't mean no shade, pero fuck your kid.
it's like you're grinding on the chair.
I am low key. Like I'm
You're
not
trying to
gonna
distract.
lie.
You're just distracting yourself.
Like,
Gary ice cream. Just para din on table.
I'm going there. Sponsor. I got it.
Alright, guys.
Product placement. That's right.
Dale, grind ribet stool.
Baby, calm down. Calm down. It's not bad. What the fuck? We just made up Wednesday thing and fucking clip and say, oh.
why are we doing this? Oh
I'm
God!
just chilling, dude.
Keep a fucking pregunta top, Mauro. Let's go.
Hey, I swear to God, that better be part of the highlight clip.
Okay. Nossa co-host vota para quem junta dos biar. E nós escuta diferente político na visão.
And did
Se você toda ministers, sim tá carteira na G,
my God.
que cambio na você implementar para boost a creator economy na Aruba. Que bolo assim?
Como se usa local lang, content creators local lang, make them more internationally known. Like, give them funding for their projects. Give them opportunities to go do workshops and bring it back. Give them, what I try to say, yung content creators on the F4. Oh my God, you're good?
Sorry, bailando. Apa din ay, ito ko
On the one, like,
sorry. Just continue.
so like, I've said this before, like, opihan that is a content creators on the F4. Sing do as your research, as in buscan analytics and alles. And meanwhile, but local actors over the Aruba mas. So, invest, like, every year, kis hindi din como chef, but aya ato responsible para ato ko si comida. Or say cabo, busca next one. But hopefully, that first person has following cabo established, kung posible sumes.
Nice.
And meron na kaya say, so by the end of 10 years, you have 10 cooking chef influencers de Aruba, criollo, yara, para manang a full. So build your own people instead of bringing people from abroad to promote the fucking cultura. So, that's
Man,
my take.
for me, I would say tax cuts.
That too.
Your creative industry, in order for them to grow, I feel like they can't have these amount of taxes on them. Like, you're not trying to help boost it, you're trying to help break it. So I say tax cuts. We have a lot of industries that are like $1 million industries on this island that I think can fund certain other industries. I mean, Go Cultura had like the conference with what's this guy King called?
Yeah,
John King.
John King.
And he like gave like some
Barbados.
options on how to like give tax cuts for the creative industry and the orange economy. So I think that for sure would be a huge plus point for anybody in the creative sector.
Hey, me the guy.
Period.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Which one do you want?
No,
I don't know, whatever. Like, okay.
I'm good.
Dale, take your time. Dale hap. It's cool. Pull off.
Come through.
Get up.
Hey,
Hold up, shout out to Kira Keto real quick, okay? Did their big one. Make sure y'all get that mango flavor so you can keep it, mango tango. Ya tú sabes.
ele ayuda ho, Pino. Ele ayuda ho.
Zie je clip in de... Zit hem fucking ad boost het dan.
Go crazy, guys.
Ok, e último tres lang ito by pack massa pa punch. Kaya by duri by ice cream. Kaya mi.
Ah, come on. I'll say that now. I'm gonna eat my worst later.
He just wants everything I have. Like, it's crazy.
No, I just love the mango one.
Yeah.
Mango and the key lime.
So why didn't you ask? You see what I mean? Like, you see how we talking about a while ago? Like, if you wanted it, why didn't you just say you wanted it?
You want the...
No, you said
Wag.
you love this.
Por baby, sabe qual gusta mais? A mim gusta mango, bro.
A mim gusta saki
Ah,
também.
bagi por baby também?
Yes,
Esse é
of
duche,
course.
esse é duche.
I am a Kira Keto girl. No time. Shout out to Gino.
Actually,
By the
that's
way, strictly, just no mishibo cara, bom? In general, just qualquer gente pique aqui no mishibo, wow, pero ang kulog just acabou, man.
I'm good.
This is a big bite. Can I just say half?
Yeah. Half the bom.
Shit. I'm gonna feel this one.
Alright. Kiko to unkos ko boso tari grad di bisa durante un di boso podcast na ay aqui. One thing that you could take back.
Did you just... Wait. Is it the hot sauce or you thought about something?
Ice cream.
Don't swallow
Does
it.
this thing have dust on it?
Ice cream, kiremi.
Fuck, I knew it. That's niet gevoel, is het goed, Danny.
The bomb to pio, no have it mas chill. Alright, me repetir pergunta. Kiko tong kos ko pa tari grad di bisa durante un di po podcast ng turayan ng Kiko. One thing you wish you could take back.
Moro, shut the fuck up, Murato. Guarda. Like, do not lose a chance, Moro. I think do not lose a chance.
E ora
Okay?
no
I
sabay
was
tarda.
dying over here. Do not lose a fucking chance, Moro. Do not lose a chance.
Honestly, I wasn't even looking at the jodido.
You just sitting there looking proper, talking lang. Do not shut the fuck up.
Met een gehoor en de opwoning is die was zo fucking alleen lang.
Sorry, Moro. I mean,
What did you see?
Pape Kubasina. Like,
Oh, it's fine.
the pica.
Ama papi sinugutari ko la interview ami. It's only fair.
Yeah, I was saying like I'm trying to touch my hand, but yung boka gewoon fucking mukha, wag like fucking baba. I mean, nasa si Bosigi.
8.
Holy shit.
I don't have a tongue. Do you feel a tongue?
No, I don't. Ik heb ungo over de grande bisa. Die ben apa soki? Ari ba aige.
Mulher mas?
I'm echt agora. Oh, I'm good. Não é breaking order, waarom?
Nossa, porque mas leche.
No, I'm good. I'm niet genoeg kanina. Ik had het tongue in the back of my fucking throat, cause hey.
Mi ricordo ora un dia va pone shark come sauce e wing super pique di Alfis.
Polo, heb ik 4 eimas up.
Cioè, e tata pa fodi e lì den parking lot. Ta con scoop of basaka.
Sacando.
Oh shit. Mi ricordo qui.
Que vou perguntar tao Moro? Sorry.
Ik had uncos, daarbij, repetir.
Kuno sa di grad ni bisa?
Cioè, un cosco bolo por take back. Bolo take back anything ko ba business 5 anos?
I mean, no.
Nada?
5 años?
5 anos di podcast.
Oh, yeah, the car. Dude, you all know this. I have like the worst fucking memory.
Dame 10 din biya.
I don't. I said what I said and I meant it.
Ni
With my chest. With my chest.
ni es un dilato bolo take it back of no.
Lato.
I already already took that back.
Yo,
Ah, but
I got
apologize,
nothing.
Felipe.
I already apologized, yeah.
I mean, nada.
I said what I said.
I mean, nada.
Yeah, I'm a bad bitch.
No, nada.
Wat regret ben je bij show?
Niet de fucking regret, hè. 100%.
Indeed. No, I mean, no.
I'm saying, you know, ben ik aan jou houden.
I was good up until this one. Holy fuck.
What is this?
I like the bomb. Fucking bomb
I can't even touch it. Oh.
I think it's like to school.
Não se regala para você depois com a ajuda.
Fuck that.
Fuck you, Ricardo.
Fuck it, I gotta.
Fuck Avo.
I'm not.
Respectfully, I love you, Moto.
It's fine, it's fine.
Yeah, we love you. We started podcasting around the same time, no? Like 1 week apart.
Ja.
So?
1 week apart. Sim dat in contact com o outro. Gewoon all of a sudden denk hoe man dos podcast.
Easy, yeah. Outra rena stupid assim também. Outra rena stupid assim também. Ona dale the bomb.
I don't give a fuck about nobody else.
Miguel rob un pita napkin diri su lenga. Pero Mel ten ayer tá chill. Basta chill. Ya sowieso
I mean, look at him, like, yeah, he like,
How am I
you don't
fucking
even know
grab
what's going on half of the time. No, no shade, like,
pero Miguel a mostra que la struggle que só assistam porque aí que compose la answer tu ko mal coño, blit.
well, I ain't no fucking Miguel, I'm Shark.
Okay, e último na gid just dal half a bite.
100%.
Dale.
Não papialam da constant boca ruim com baba, como que eles.
Next.
He's probably having 3 of this. Here talking about we'll have a third. Have a none.
But they go call different com nós.
So my bisa ba, may ikate,
Scammer!
the red flag.
So esta aqui não hasi?
No, é host, no.
Di ko no?
Mas mi no po host 4 dias atrás outra cena, me demora.
Super junto, guys.
Pensei mi da episode 1. Ama sile, greme. Tarika host me tá tem pineapple com mango so. Do tá tá just hari ti então ami tá mi quero dali.
Anche della abo aqui.
Alright. Super lì, dici na pavimento. Mi tem 4. 4.
Bro, our shows. No show in fucking
do that!
English show.
Out of here!
Okay.
Padiba, I'm married to an American fucking woman, brother.
Out of
Well,
here!
entende? Pode just puro para gasqueta. Dos papo, dos para shark. That's it.
Nós vai poner assim, um home historian, palavra com minuto
Mas babai boneiro nada papo assim aqui.
Yo, what the fuck?
It's not cold.
Oh, the-
Bro,
Hey, bang no!
me tá sentindo de Maria, bro.
Okay, Samil, pode you take a guess?
Shit.
Kanimi pa mi kanibo. Que pode querer que men?
Kanimi,
Pa mi kanibo.
as in, rodei pra me rodear, vou?
Scratch my back and I'll scratch yours.
Okay.
Okay, Shark. Comedor de huevo. Não sei galinha, su atrás tá dolo. Comedor de huevo, não sabe que galinha su atrás, su behind tá dolo.
So you don't know the sacrifices and the things that I have to go through,
Se bom não
my
trape,
pain and suffering. Oh, wow.
se bom não trape, bom não sabe su valor. É bom? You got it.
Okay, yeah!
Okay.
At least score uno.
Samil. Manisedi bashi ta plambari. Manisedi bashi ta plambari.
I mean, echt, nou sabe, me quer what we win nada or some shit like that.
Ora bota cobra, já bota bashi back. Dus bota gasta placa op ali.
Yeah, man, 80% Rubiano.
I would have never got that.
Shark. Mas brisa, mas godem. Minha aqui godem que
Mas
vem.
brisa,
Mas godem.
who them?
Mas brisa, dus mas viento. Mas godem. Minha aqui godem que vem se lhe atalo.
Mas,
Boting, se bota just close, bota ele.
mas pa futa, I guess, or mas.
Não, outra guess.
Mas bota basic kita sinti mas oportunidad ng buting pabingser ka bo.
When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Zeg je me.
Well, the
Completely.
goal is tough as fuck. So the brain fucked as fuck.
Di mo naman sa ikaw nang Chacha TV?
No. Tinha amigo de nós que organize trivia nights and tinha buquinho aqui com aqui.
Got it.
Uma pedir mandame. Alright, last one. Só falta.
Apa Miami India, nós podemos você, mas Apa Miami India,
Pak, Miguel, dia depois você sabe Miguel vai host algo, então me disse ele, yo, you good? You came way better than I expected. Mel and Bob came in, tá bom?
Mo,
I'm
you
so.
stay trying to like link us with other people who ain't us.
Bawak, bom assim para struggle, portanto não, bom nunca está.
Abo não está.
A mais struggle opi. É o seguinte dia.
Like low
You
key,
ain't me.
thinking like lightheaded. All right, let's go to the last one.
Último.
We're gonna walk.
The last dab.
lap experience.
Ebo, cara cambia.
Sauce, smaak over 91% pepper.
Ah.
Is school me te bestaan?
Sorry for everything I do.
De gewoon te be
Alright, let's go. Last question.
met die meer die inhale, dus dat vind ik
But the stalling shark também começa a sofrer. Na começamento de episode, você puntrami com bem mira introduce você a sua intro. Pe último question, mica challenge você dos. Samil, abata shark, shark, abata Samil. Você tem quase opening de você show, just em vez de no filter, você visa COS TA HOT. Straight in camera. Abata open man shark, shark to open man Samil. Whenever you're ready.
Well, I always start, so this is very easy for you.
Bem camera.
Because you acabou de estar.
Hey yo, what's up? Hola, ¿cómo está? Hey yo, welcome to another episode of COS TA HOT.
Lagi lang ko host, the baddest bitch, melatonin Gabe. Oh, I'm not gay though. That's making that clear. I'm Shark right now. Please don't clip this fucking part. Andos kinang ko no sa host Mauro.
Wait, cause I don't buy in yet. Wait,
I don't know, but
it's,
burden.
man, I can't remember this intro right now. I'm so sorry. Like
Let me have some intro.
my tongue, it's not even nothing. You know what I mean? Like,
I'm from the bad bitch. Mauro, ik ook heel hobby.
like Paquico. Like,
Ay, Paquico.
it's,
Mete pica de mi mão.
guarda,
Guarda.
guarda. Paquico não se hace isso aqui.
Pero, di ko hobby que dia ba sa Like, di ko.
Você sabe, dog show assim na open, mas bisa mi mes que era def. Oh shit. Me te take você answer intro te conta.
Ah?
Escrevendo bom.
Caos, sí, pero bom.
Shark. Você mais?
Oh, pero leche. Anybody bonus questions?
A mim não tem. Ah, tem bonus question para você.
No.
Você tem closing message que você quer para mim começar não? Se você quer. É porta para plug anything, no filter wise and filter eat sambe anything.
Closing message. Mali para go hindi como sa podcast. Mahirap hindi asa kami para podcast na ko terkones ko. Buti na Paquico. May sabi ka na siyang swa. Hindi bisa momento. Holy fuck. Se você começar algo com a placa, não assim. So somebody is out in a creative world, don't do it for the money because it's very hard to make money in the beginning. It takes a long time to make actual money. Shark me always sabo. Us personally, for me, those I manage, we didn't really make any money personally. No saco, won't go be over here. Take away, could no filter, maybe no visa, could be buying, could no filter. We have other streams of income. Studio, with the trapa, es otro gente, paga con mi mes, it's gonna filter eats. I'm sorry too. So, se você gosta de algo, man, se diz assim, você pode parquear. Ice cream? Hindi ko yung mas para bisa nada.
Mamela de bread.
Se você algo assim, você pode assim, and hopefully, you can make some money out of it. Give a shout out someone who I'm looking at right now, Denzel Werleman.
É que eu tenho barber, que eu video.
Ita message hope ko si ever Mr. Esa. If you ever need tips, he always hits me up. Misa what you did. It guy what pa yara de gusto, super great personality guy. So, and he's doing it for the right things. Like, it just doing because he enjoys doing it. He wants to do it. Like, I want to grow in this. He doesn't even care about the money in the beginning. He was like, okay, I just want to see where this takes me. I enjoy making content. So that's the kind of mentality we do with Stini. So because creator world hockey. So keep that in mind. And the entrepreneurship is not as easy and glamorous as you fucking think. It's fucking hard, dude. Like,
Facts.
mentally, I'm ultimo ayan aqui. Like, you want to talk about mental health? Like, mas sufre mais de fucking ayan kung mas sufre de fucking vida. Ding entrepreneurship, thing kung hindi James. Fuck. But still, I'm happy. Your turn. Wow.
But yung closing message, algo po bisa?
Sabi ko ba COS TA HOT, no? Just kidding. Okay.
It's all good, don't worry. Por episode que saliam, você grava tudo, capa.
Kids, stay in school. Do what you love what you do. Be a bad bitch. Don't tap out. And learn to say no. Okay? Learn to say no. No.
Guys, dank je voor weer de show. Queremos have been in that seat. Esse mangi mes me sago esta sinti. Me no lugar sinti den dos biyaha. Pero op respeito para capa full challenge de COS TA HOT. Tune in também. Thanks for tuning in. You episode aqui. We'll see you next episode. Outro se manjaran song. Thank you.
Ayo.